Hi everyone, hope this finds you well. Mauricio here from Colombia. I've been working on that challenge that Sally told us this morning, and I think I just found a solution using ArcPy in Python. So what we have here, we have this dummy file that I just made with green and red hexagons, and the red ones are below threshold of 100. So we're gonna change that. We're gonna process them and merge them and sum their values. So I make this code, I'll explain it later. Let's just run the code. It runs quite fast. It's done. Let's check what we have here. First is start. We have list of object ID to process, the red ones that were below or 100 threshold, 20, and process each of them, and we have this final output. So what we have here, we have a population field, and it just processed. You see, we don't have hexagons with population field below threshold, so it's quite good. And let's make a quick filter here. First we have the hexagons where we just process, so they don't have length or area. So let's use that attributes and make a quick filter, so we can check it easier. Quite good. We have these are the ones that we just process. Let's make it easier to read, and they just put a red label on them. Nice, so we can check this easier. So black label, the original value, population value, and you see right here the sum of this new geometry, hexagons merged. So yeah, it's working quite good. It's just the sum of each of them. The black labels and the red labels is the sum of them. So it's just working quite well. This is the code, and you just need to change these variables. So feature class, the threshold, and the population field. So first it makes a copy of the file to memory, so processing will be much faster. Then we make the list of objects that are below threshold, so we get the object ID as the identifier, and this is the tricky part where we make the fusion logic and the merging groups. So how it works, it just for each object ID of the list, we get the geometric properties, and we just check if it overlaps or touch each of the hexagons. So it takes the value of the population field and make this new variable, total population. Then it creates the merging groups. So for every one of them creates one and just make it a different merging group. So we can just remove the object ID that we just processed, remove from the list. So if run this code for each of the objects on the list, and we get out of this loop condition, and we just update the list. And this is the final part of the code. We just make this file processing and field processing, so we just can merge our file and get the job done.